everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a Softwash roof and siding cleaning today. And so this property is very discolored with algae. A lot of dark streaks on the roof. We're going to be spraying all surfaces of this roof today. We're just going to keep this video short and just show you some of the worst areas of this home. We'll also be recording a little after video as well. But again, as you can see, this roof's very dark. And you got some little roofs up here that you can see are just very discolored. Siding on this side, this is the north facing side, very green and nasty. So we're going to be soft washing this entire property today. We're also cleaning the outside windows. And here's another shot of the north side of this home, and as you can see, it's just really bad. So the soft wash process is great if your house is looking black or green. Our process kills everything that lives and grows on your property, keeping your property much cleaner, much longer than just a power washing. And we're not forcing high pressure water behind your siding. We're not damaging your surfaces. We clean everything from the shingles down, the drip edge, the fascia, the soffit, all the things that a pressure washer can't and should not clean on your home with high pressure are the things that will look very beautiful with soft washing. So here you can see, if you zoom in on that drip edge up there underneath the shingles, you can see how gross it is. Also the fascia over here, we'll zoom in a little bit on that. You can see how discolored that is. So those are the objects that a pressure washer really can't or shouldn't clean. Also the soffits underneath the overhangs are vented, and you should never spray water up in those with high pressure. So basically we spray a solution on the building that does the cleaning, and then we rinse it down with basically garden hose pressure. So there's a lot of roof on this property. Not all the roofs are bad. There is some green on that roof up there. And the back roof back here. So we won't walk you around the whole house. We'll keep this video short. But again, this is Absolutely Clean Window Washing, soft wash roof and exterior cleaning. If your property is black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. Please give us a call if your property looks black or green like this. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. You can also find us on the web. And we have more YouTube videos on soft washing than any company in Minnesota. And we also offer a 5-year stay clean guarantee on our roof cleaning. Please ask us about that. As far as I know, we're the only company in Minnesota who offers this guarantee. 612-919-4185. And please stay tuned for the before and after pictures and the after video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Hello everyone, Jesse here, coming to you with a after video of soft wash roof cleaning and siding cleaning. And as you can see, the roof looks beautiful. No more black algae streaks on it like it was before. Please enjoy the before and after pictures at the end of this video. I'll take you over to the siding and show you how beautiful that looks as well. It's about 10 shades lighter. If you remember before, the siding over here was very green, covered in lichen and algae and mold and mildew. Everything you could imagine was on this siding. And it took quite a bit of rinsing to actually rinse some of the dead stuff off there after we soft washed it. But again, this is Absolutely Clean Window Washing, soft wash roof cleaning and siding cleaning on this property. We also did exterior windows. If you're looking to have a property done and you live anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call. If your property is black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. We appreciate you watching this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video. And please give us a call if you have a property that you'd like cleaned. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. We can clean cedar shakes, shingles, any type of siding. We clean a lot of different kinds of roofs, from metal roofs to cedar shakes to clay tiles to shingles. You name it, we can clean it. Absolutely clean window washing. Soft washing experts here in Minnesota. Thank you so much.